Introducing the latest in home cleaning technology, the new Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This advanced device offers seamless Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to manage your cleaning schedule from anywhere. With its 180 ml water tank, it effortlessly handles both vacuuming and mopping tasks, ensuring your floors are spotless and sparkling. Designed for modern households, this robotic vacuum cleaner combines convenience with high performance, making it an essential tool for maintaining a clean and hygienic home. Embrace the future of home cleaning with this innovative, electric cleaning solution that takes care of the hard work so you don't have to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.